Hello guys, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen, and in this video I'm going to show you a plugin which I personally use in my day-to-day activities, and I feel I should share it with you guys. So here you can see guys, I have a website and there is a random string printing in my website header. I don't know the cause of the string, why this string is printing, from where this string is printing. I don't have any idea. So to deal with such cases, which generally arise in our WordPress site sometime, that sometime the site style goes off, or sometime the things were working earlier but suddenly they were not working after a few days, and you don't have any idea like what and how those things got disturbed. So to deal with such cases, there is a plugin in WordPress called Health and Troubleshooting. So this plugin help you to troubleshoot this such kind of issues. So guys, if you install this plugin, which I have already installed here, you see a troubleshoot option behind every plugin after you activate this plugin. So here you can see my front end, I have this issue, and now I will escalate like what plugin or theme is causing me this issue. So in order to troubleshoot guys, the troubleshooting help you to see the website behavior by activating a specific plugin. So for example, if I want to activate the AMP Strapo Pro, Avada Builder, Avada Pro, I will just select the checkbox and I will just click on troubleshoot. So now you can see I only have 4 plugin active. Only 4 plugin are activated, rest plugin are deactivated. And the good thing is guys, I can also switch my theme here. I can switch my theme to some other theme and check the behavior, how my site is working also. But the awesome thing about this plugin is that whatever I'm doing here, whatever output that I'm seeing over in the front end, even after switching the theme, for example, if I switch this theme to bridge, whatever output I'm seeing here, it only for the admin, since admin is doing the troubleshooting operation here. So this troubleshooting mode, when admin have the troubleshooting mode, this mode will be visible only to the admin, not to the end user. So let's come on to the issue that we were facing. So I have activated this 4 plugin and I have activated the bridge theme, and if I check the front end now, you can see that I don't have that string here in the header. I will switch back that theme to the default theme, I think which was 2020. So still, even after activating the previous theme, I don't have that string here. And similarly, you will see that all the activated plugin earlier, they will show you an option to enable troubleshooting for them. So I will one by one enable the troubleshooting for these plugin and check the behavior of the site. I will enable the troubleshooting for them. Okay, and I will refresh this page. Still guys, I don't have that string here. Now let's activate few more plugin. So we'll activate this plugin here. And if I refresh this page now you can see that string has appeared again. So that means something is wrong with this plugin. So I will just deactivate it again, deactivate troubleshooting. So now this plugin code snippet has been deactivated, and I will refresh my page again. The string gone. So that confirmed that string is coming from this plugin. Let's disable the troubleshooting operation now, and now I will just refresh it again. You can see the string is there, and if I go here in the backend, and now I deactivate this plugin completely. I'm not troubleshooting now, I'm just deactivating it completely. And if I refresh page, you can see that the message has gone. So this is, this is the way, guys, through health and troubleshooting plugin you can troubleshoot different kind of issues that is coming from a plugin or from a theme. And along with that, you also have different options. So if you go to tools and you go to site health, this plugin also provide you, a different kind of health check status. For example, you can see here I got a log message for a one critical error, so which is saying that I have enabled the WP debug log. According to WordPress, I have to disable it on a live site. So this health and troubleshooting plugin, reporting me an error. And similarly, it also recommending me several things like to update my WordPress and to do the different things. So similarly, guys, you also have a tools section here where you can check the file integrity. So sometime your WordPress site have some malicious code and you are not aware of that code because you hardly check the code. So in that case also this plugin helps you. So you can check the file integrity by clicking on this file integrity check. So what this operation will do, it will check each and every core file of your site WordPress, and it will see if any of the WordPress file has been edited or some malicious code has been intruded in the plugin in the WordPress files. This plugin, this file integrity check tool will report you such kind of behavior. So it's an awesome plugin for troubleshooting, for finding bugs related to a plugin or so. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this plugin will help you for any kind of troubleshooting that you want to perform on your WordPress website. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section. I reply to all the comments. Thank you so much. Have a good day.